Friday, so it's the end of August. We thought we would do our favorites for this month.
Yep.
We each have 5 because it is still 5 Reason Fridays. So, do you want to go first?
Sure. What should I start with?
Numero uno.
I'll start with a beauty product. So this is the Erased Paste by Benefit. I actually got this like 3 months ago, but my dark circles have been a little bit more out of control than usual lately, so I've been loving this product more in August than I have in previous months.
Do you use like a brush to put on, or can you just use
No, I just use my ring finger. But this is really good. It's kind of pricey. It's more like an invest thing, but it's kind of one of those things where like you choose, to invest in things that you kind of have issues with. So I have like really bad dark circles. So I'd rather pay for a little bit more for a concealer than like one that's not going to work. So I think this was like $25. But recommended by Lauren. Shout out. I have to she knows what's up. Anyway, it's my favorite.
So I'll do a similar product. So I got this at BeautyCon, actually. It's the Lorac Touch Up and Go Concealer and Foundation Pen.
The wanky.
Ooh, I really like Lorac. Their products are just good for your skin. And a lot of time makeup, it's just you pat it on to cover everything up. But the stuff that's in it is actually good for your skin. So even if you're wearing makeup, it does good things for your skin. And my skin just in general has been out of control. I don't know what the problem is with my skin.
The heat.
God, maybe. My skin is having a freak out. But anyways, I got this at BeautyCon, and the reason I was excited about it is because I'm super pale, and the only foundation I found that's actually my color is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the palest. I think it's 110 or
white.
Something. But anyways, this is the CF1 pale. And it's really great because it's just a little pen and you just click the bottom and product comes in and you just do. And it's really great to just throw in your bag if you have a zit that won't die and you just have to keep covering it up and stuff.
A zit that won't die. Relentless.
You know what I'm talking about. Anyways, but it's really, really great. It is about $28, but like Caitlin was saying, if you're really pale and you can't find the right color, like me, I'm considering buying this because it's the right color, it's concealer and foundation in one, so
that's the thing.
Yeah.
Investing in products that work for you makes sense because if you settle for a product, you're gonna try 5, and then you're gonna spend more money than you would to just invest in the good product that it'll last and work for you.
And it does seem like there's not very much product, but you don't need a lot because it's concealer and foundation. It's pretty it's a rich product, so you don't need as much of the
little goes a long
cheap
way.
stuff. Exactly. So if you're pale, you have trouble finding a color that matches, I really recommend this. I'm really excited about it.
I'll stick with beauty. So lips, yay. I actually have 2, which is weird for me. I'm not I'm kind of lying. I do really like lipstick, but I don't know. I don't really go crazy with lip wear. I don't buy a lot of lipstick. I don't buy a lot of lip glosses, but lately things have just been coming my way. This one was a gift from Lauren as well. It's a really hot, almost like a Barbie pink, which is totally fitting.
It almost looks like her. It looks like a crayon.
Yeah.
So cute.
But so I was a little well, is this gonna look as bright on my lips? But it doesn't. It's kind of like a pale pink, and I really like it. So this is the Maybelline Baby Lips.
Does it smell?
Is it supposed to?
Because I have the darker one and it smells like cherries. I like
can't really
it.
Smell it. I love it. Oh, and I have another one. This came in my Birchbox, which I love.
Birchbox. Mine was kind of so this month. Anyways,
it's called Dusk Till Dawn. I'm actually wearing it right now because I love it so much. But it looks kind of strange, not gonna lie. It's like a brown.
It looks like.
But if you put it on, it's more of like a nude, which I love so much. So this is the Party Proof matte lipstick.
It's really cute too, like the packaging.
Yeah, the packaging. Well done, Party Proof.
And Birchbox.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so I have another beauty one. This is the Dead Sea Treatment Aloe Vera Eye Cream.
Dead Sea Treatment.
I've been putting this on at night, right before I go to bed. It's really soothing. I've never really tried eye creams. It's not really been a thing that I've tried, but I was at TJ Maxx, and this is on, super clearance. I looked it up, and normally this is $13 for 1 ounce, which is kind of expensive.
Hey!
But I got it on clearance for $6 at TJ Maxx. So when you go to TJ Maxx, normally I'm going to get some clothes. Dude, their beauty section.
I always overlook those stores' beauty sections.
Go there now.
I always overlook them. I think
Yeah.
I went to the one at Marshall's recently
Yeah.
and was like surprised because I was just like,
they're
wow.
so good because you get like legitimate like
Yeah, good
brands
stuff.
for really cheap.
Right.
But anyways, I mean, you can buy this stuff online. It's just the Dead Sea treatment. But if you're at TJ Maxx, keep an eye out because you can get it for super clearance. But it's just a really soothing, lovely aloe vera eye cream treatment.
What is it supposed to do? Is it supposed to like soothe
Yeah,
or
it's
like
just,
puffiness or
it's
dark
just,
circles?
Like it nourishes because like there's not oil glands around
Yeah.
your eyes. You know what I mean? So it just soothes and sort of puts moisture back in that area, so you have less puffiness and
Gotcha.
craziness and stuff. And eyes aren't something that I have a problem with, but I will when I'm old. So, preventative measure.
Take care in advance.
Okay. It's good stuff.
Okay, where should I begin or continue?
That looks very medicinal.
It is kind of medicinal. This is a little bit like weird and awkward. Like, this is lavender, 100% pure essential calming oil.
Dude, essential oils. No, that's what's up. That
You
is
know
what's
me,
up.
I have like legit like crazy anxiety. So I carry this with me because like you can smell it, or they say if you like rub it on like your temples, it just like kind of like soothes you and calms you down a little bit. Or it kind of, I think on the box it said you can like sprinkle like a few, that sounds kind of gross. Like you can
It's like a vampire.
just like put a few drops on your pillow at night and it
that's
kind of, it
nice.
just like really kind of soothes you. So I really like it, but like, I mean,
Do you ever like? I've heard people like dropping like essential oils in like the bath or even in tea. I don't know if you
Oh,
can
yeah.
drink lavender, but like, yeah,
that might, yeah. I don't know if you could put it in a bath.
because like
but-
tea tree oil isn't I don't think that's an essential oil. I don't know, but I put like tea tree oil in the bath and stuff, and it just like the scent of it is very soothing.
Yeah.
That's cool. Where did you get that?
Online.
Oh, okay.
I actually, like, I looked up something because it was like a remedy because like I
Oh.
like kind of, I thought I needed one. So I like searched, Googled, but it's cool. It says suggested usage, calming toner, 5 drops lavender, 1 teaspoon witch hazel, and they give you another one for soothing mist, 18 drops lavender, 1 ounce water, and a mister.
That would be lovely.
like,
to,
they give you little,
spritz
like-
it on yourself.
Yeah, like little recipes, but I just use it to straight up calm down. So
Calm yourself.
I like it.
Sniff that lavender. Okay. So my last beauty one is the Nature Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. So dry shampoo is all over the place, and I've tried like 3 different ones. And I really love the Nature Mother's sea salt spray and hairspray, and there was a coupon at CVS to get like $1.50 off or something. So I was like, I'll give it a whirl. So it does have, like, it leaves a little bit of white, and I have brown hair, but it brushes out really great. Made in the USA in Tampa, Florida. Woo! My grandma lives there. Oh my god. Okay, anyways.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma. Whatever, she turned 96 2 weeks ago.
Damn,
Go,
shout
Grandma.
out.
Love
She deserves,
you.
like 50 shout outs.
Grandma. Okay. Anyways, definitely recommend this. And it's not that expensive. And look at CVS for coupons because they usually have them for Not Your Mother's. So check it.
Anyway, what shall I do? I guess I'll do this. So, this is a book. This is my favorite book of the month. I'm reading like 5, but this is the one I've really committed. Like, I'm really reading this one. It's 101 Secrets for Your 20s by Paul, I'm so sorry, Angon? Angon?
It's as good as mine. Okay.
I don't remember how I stumbled upon this, to be honest, but it's really great. He's hilarious. His voice is just
Is it just like anecdotes
perfect.
or is it?
Kind of. It's like so it's kind
Oh.
of like this. Like it's literally 101 secrets. Like every page or 3 is a new secret.
It makes it easy to read because like if you're just like driving,
Yeah.
you can just like
Yeah.
read a couple.
And he kind of like includes anecdotes within the secrets, which is always the best way to give anybody advice, in my opinion. And on the cover, Seth Godin's got the little
Endorsement.
blurb, yeah, whom I've just loved for years. So I saw that and was like, well, I just gotta take the plunge. I really recommend it if you're 20 through 30.
Get it. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. So we were like going to film, and my husband was like, "That looks gross," because it's like basically empty. But whatever. Here we are. So I lived in Alabama for 4 years, and I am like a die-hard sweet tea person.
Sweet tea.
Alabama table wine. I can't speak. Alabama table wine. Shout out, I will live and die by sweet tea. But as we all know, there's a lot of sugar in it, and it's not that good for you. So lately, I've been really trying to switch to unsweet tea, and it's really difficult. But this has made it easier. I'm not exactly sure how you say it. I think it's Teava. Unsweetened tea. They sell this like everywhere. Like it's always at Vons. It's at pretty much every grocery store. It's at Trader Joe's.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I think it's at Trader Joe's.
Yeah, it's just the unsweetened, and it's just black tea, but it's really good. And what I've been doing, because it's not sweet, is squeezing half a lemon into it, and that just makes it easier to drink. No sugar. So, sorry, my sweet tea friends. I'm
Totally possible. I used to be obsessed with
trying
like
to be better.
sweetened teas, like any sweetened teas, like Arizona's. I would down.
Oh, they're like
but like
sugar.
now, I think I OD'd. I can't do it. Like all my tea is like unsweetened as unsweetened can be.
It's difficult. The lemon definitely helps if you're trying to cut down on the sugar. It really, really does help. Or like agave nectar or anything like that. But this tea's really good just on its own. So that's been a favorite this month.
Get it?
Get this Teava. Love it.
This is my last one, and I would guess my favorite one. It is a Feisty Tiger sweatshirt that I love so much for a few reasons. One, it has a tiger roaring.
Like Detroit Tigers?
No.
Oh, okay, sorry.
I mean, I guess I could say that. Or like I could say like I got it, in honor of Katy Perry's new song, which I didn't because that would be a total weirdo move. But I love it because it's like I put it on. It's like I'm styling, but I did not try, and it's the comfiest thing in my wardrobe.
It's really cute.
And
too bad it's 900 degrees outside.
yeah. Whatever. Anyway, I'm about to get really hostile. Anyway, I got it from Zara. This was like $25. It was originally like 80 or something crazy, but I did not know Zara had free shipping. At least I don't know if that was like a little
I didn't know that.
promotional thing, but they had free shipping when I got this, so this was like a total steal, and I'm in love. So
Awesome.
get yourself a feisty
Feisty Tiger.
feisty sweatshirt.
Okay, so my last favorite, I don't know if this is weird. I was gonna do a book, but the book I've been reading is kind of weird, so
Deep.
I'm doing my
Historical.
It is. It's very historical. Whatever. We'll talk about that later. My favorite is my summer playlist because it's like the end of summer, and like what I do is at the beginning of a season, I make a playlist for that season, and then the whole month or the whole season, I like add songs to it. So by now my summer
cool.
playlist is like hella long, but there have just been like so many songs this last month where I hear it and I'm like, oh, that's my jam. And then I hear another, I'm like, oh, that's my jam. And a couple of them are, just a second, where is it? It's called Oh Sailor by Mr. Little Jeans. And she's a girl.
Mr. Little Jeans.
That's her name. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's a girl.
It's a girl. Yeah, and it
That's
features
the sweetest thing ever.
it features the, I don't know, featuring the Silver Lake Conservatory of Music Youth Choir.
Whoa.
So there's like all these little kids singing in the song too. Anyways, I'll write below all of these songs, but yeah, Mr. Little Jeans, Oh Sailor, super good. Also, this song has been like all over YouTube. Royals by Lorde.
Dude, that song's legit.
Dude, that song is my jam.
Like
freaking,
what? Where did she come from?
It's so
my husband loves
good.
that song, which is just hilarious. But
It's awesome. Like you're just like, yeah, when you hear it. And then Roar, obviously, by Katy Perry.
represent. Come on.
Oh my gosh, like
Just
how
blast it right now.
that like motivates me to work out, and like nothing motivates me to work out. Like, oh my gosh, how, like, I don't care who you are. When you hear that song, you're like,
Stand up. Just
yes,
go do
like,
something.
honestly, like any lady power ballad, I don't know how you hear them and you're just like, well, my life sucks. No, you're like, I am awesome. Hear me roar. Okay, anyways, I'll link or I'll write my like other summer playlist songs below if you want to listen to them.
We can link our favorites down below
Everything.
too. Yeah.
Everything will be
If
linked
you want to get
below.
on any of this action,
I mean, this
click
tea,
below.
I don't know if I can link that, but whatever. I will try.
Amazon.
Oh yeah, you can get anything on Amazon.
And it's cheaper sometimes too.
It's true.
Random. Anyway.
Thanks, guys. Let us know what your favorites were this month below
In the
in
comment,
the comment
section.
section. Also, subscribe to this channel.
Please.
When we see the subscriber numbers go up, we get very excited.
we
and
blast Roar by
We
Katy
do.
Perry.
We get up and we roar.